Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to use the air pump. Today we're going to go over how to use this cordless electric smart air pump. Let's start by unpacking it and taking a look at what equipment is inside. Opening the package, we can see the air pump, inflation needle, air nozzle adapter, and charging cable. The advantage of this cordless electric smart air pump is the cordless design, which allows you to inflate without any tether. You can easily carry and use it at home, outdoors, or while traveling. The cordless electric smart air pump comes with multiple inflation nozzles for a variety of products. Whether it's inflating mattresses, balloons, or bike tires, this inflation pump can handle it with ease. Simply choose the right air nozzle, connect it to the pump, press the switch, and you can inflate quickly, saving time and energy. Now let's see how to connect it. First, insert the inflation needle or air nozzle adapter into the outlet of the pump. Make sure the connection is tight, and then select the mode that suits the item you want to inflate. After selecting the mode, simply press the switch and the cordless electric smart air pump will automatically start to inflate. You will see the data on the air pressure display constantly changing, monitoring the inflation status in real time. In addition, this cordless electric smart air pump has a smart inflation function to avoid the risk of overinflation. Once the inflation is complete, you can easily put the air pump back in your bag, get on your bike, and enjoy a smooth riding experience. Whether it's the park or the street, this air pump will allow you to travel with ease. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this information will help you to better utilize the cordless electric smart air pump. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.